Welcome the our channel. Today we how to budget with PayPal step by step clearly. Open your PayPal app or visit the PayPal website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section. Look for the PayPal balance option to view your current balance. To start budgeting, click on Activity to review your recent transactions. Take note of your income and expenses for the past month. Organize your transactions into categories such as bills, groceries, and entertainment. Use a spreadsheet or budgeting app to record these categories. Set savings goals based on your income and necessary expenses. Create a budget plan that allocates funds for each category. Regularly monitor your PayPal account for any transactions that may affect your budget. Adjust your spending if you find certain categories exceed your budget. Consider using PayPal's spend feature to track spending in real time. Set up alerts or reminders for important payment dates. Review your budget at least once a month to ensure you're on track. Make adjustments as needed based on your financial goals and lifestyle changes. Utilize PayPal's tools to help visualize your spending habits over time. Stay committed to your budgeting plan to achieve better financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.